how to choose the right product to promote with TikTok affiliate marketing using ClickBank marketplace. Now in this video, very short to the point, I'm going to show exactly step by step how you can choose and pick the proven profitable offers on ClickBank and use TikTok organic, free traffic or paid traffic, paid ads to speed up and fast forward your results. So let's go straight into it. As you can see over here on my TikTok, right, let me go to the viewers. We had 190,000 views in the last 7 days. And let's have a look in the last, let's say, month ago, 28 days, 500,000 views. Now let me go back to overview over here and let's look at over 28 days. You can see 1.1 million video views. Imagine 1.1 million video views. Free plus paid TikTok ads, for example, right? If you're running $25 or $15 per day TikTok ads. Now, for example, we have 11,000 comments over here. Imagine this is positive comments, positive abundance of comments, which helps you when you're running conversion ads. For example, when you're on Facebook ads running conversions, it matters that you're getting, especially in 2025, 2024, positive engagement, because all social networks, they want positive experience of their users. Okay? So that's the name of the game, positive experience. Now imagine, let's go to TikTok. To ClickBank. And we say we have prostate offer. Gravity score 243. And the average conversion you can earn is $135 per sale for this supplement offer. It's for the men health and fitness offer, right? Prostate offer. So you can see, why would I suggest it to promote offers like this with great upsell take rate? Like they're paying up to $300, $400, even, okay, now over here, $151, because it means that if you spend $25 or let's say even $50 in a day and you make one sale only, one sale from your TikTok ads or Facebook ads, you're making 200, double your money back, almost triple your money back with one sale, with one customer, with one sale, with one conversion on ClickBank. Do you see the magic here? And how you don't have to be afraid to spend money if you know that you're actually borrowing money from the network and they're giving it double or triple to you back in the next 24 hours. But of course, you need to have someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step along the way, so you can avoid making these avoidable mistakes and losing time and even more money later on, okay? Trying everything on your own. This is very important. You see over here, let me go to another offer. Nagano Tonic. This is some kind of Japanese offer. And it's weight loss offer. And it's paying, look how much it's paying. $144 you can make as an affiliate promoting this offer. Per sale, $144. Now if you're working 9 to 5 job and you're making only one sale per day extra, my friend, you're making over $4,500 per month with only one sale. Now let me go back to TikTok. You see 1.1 million video views. Do you think if we have targeted niche, like for example weight loss, diabetes, dental space, men's health, dating, do you think that you can make at least one or two sales from million views? Or let's go over here in the last 7 days from 329,000 views. Do you think we can do it? Of course. More than that, 10, 20, 30 sales a day you can make easily because it's low ticket, it's cheap product. Okay? When was the last time you thought too much for days about spending $37 or $27 or $200 or $150? You're not thinking too much. This is like a pair of shoes or a nice jacket, right? It's not a $10,000 product, but you have to think about it, right? Sometimes. So that is why it's very important. If you're doing this the right way, my strategy is this: making sure that we have positive engagement and then running conversion ads afterwards. Now let me go over here. Now before we go into it, you can reach out to me on my Instagram over here, right? You can reach out to me on my Instagram, DM me, my WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, right? You can DM me, ask me any questions you want regards to affiliate marketing and getting great results online, all right? So now let me go straight into this. What is our strategy? Our strategy, the new way, is to have done for you quiz funnel. Why? Because funnel is nothing else than a decision-making process. Okay, again, I'm going to repeat myself. Remember, I'm saying decision-making process. Okay, because if you do this the right way, you can easily and naturally start making sales every single day. All right, because you don't have to sell. The VSL, the webinar on ClickBank is doing the selling and telling for you. All right, so that then you can get a consistent, sustainable income online. Right now, let me show you over here how quickly and how fast you can make money. If you're spending $50 per day, and let's say you're paying on average $1 per click, you have 50 clicks, which means 50 people click on the ad. Conversions, let's say it's 5%, meaning that you're getting 2 sales, you're making $250 per day profit. Okay? And again, remember, it's all about not only front-end products, but also understanding the math of lifetime customer value, LVT, lifetime value of a customer, right? It means there are also upsells. Okay, that's why lots of companies can lose money on front, like Netflix can afford maybe to spend millions of dollars on advertising for a whole year, make zero profit, because they know that next year they're gonna make a bunch of money, a bunch of millions of dollars, because they were in the minus, in the red for a whole year. But okay, for the next time, this is important. Why the owners can pay you so much money? Because they know their math. All right, same like casinos, they know their math. All right, so what we get done together, as you can see over here over the Zoom calls, meetings 3 times per week, you can have someone like what I would do if I were a beginner, if newbie, if I failed before, if I never made any money with affiliate marketing. I would get someone who can help me step by step, so who can watch over his shoulder or her shoulder while they are doing it together. Okay, that's the best way to learn and also apply things in the same time, so you can get results as soon as possible, fast, right? Working 20 to 40 minutes a day max. This is what is important, right? Those are many different audiences. That's why you're losing money. You lost money. It's not your fault. Maybe you bought courses before and you don't know what you should do, right? Who should you follow? I understand. Because you see, we have 5 different stages of awareness. Unaware, problem aware, solution aware, and most aware audiences, right? So depend on which are you targeting, females or males, what kind of messaging, copywriting you're using in your advertisement, right? Are they low emotional states or high emotional states audiences? What is their core emotions? What is their core desires? Okay, all this matters. Now, you don't have to learn all this. All this can then be together for you and with you, all right? But this is what is the missing puzzle. Because if you already knew how to make money online, you would have already done it. You wouldn't be watching this video, right? But you don't. And the reason is because you tried all these other courses and they always took some missing puzzle out. That get your ad account get shut down, you didn't make income that you're supposed to be making. I'm promising you can make sustainable income, okay, online. That's what matters. Now, people just like you, everyday people just like you, stay-at-home moms, single moms, parents, right? People with work 9 to 5. You can see over here the results that I'm making, okay? 698 into ads and pulled $4,456 back out, right? From return on ad spend. Why? Because they have someone who can follow, have results, and also having the right message to the market match. That's what really matters, okay? So what you can do next, as you watch this video right now, I know you're smart because you're still here, you're still watching this video. And if you want to get results, you can connect with me one-on-one. All the links are in the description below. My personal WhatsApp number, Facebook, Instagram, email, everything is below in the description. Click there, let's connect, but only if you're serious, if you really want to take it to the next level and get results with ClickBank affiliate marketing.